Good morning, everyone. There's a lovely morning here in Mumbai, and today we're going to talk about a beautiful college which is right opposite me. Yes, they're opposite of this thing. Obviously, you can't see because of the rains. Otherwise, just bang opposite to the sea. Guys, in this lovely weather, I want to pick up a lovely college to talk about today. So we have this beautiful hidden gem, super gem. Hidden, obviously, because most people are not even aware of that. Most of coaching classes don't even consider this to be a part of an MBA. Yeah, and super gem, why? Because the average package is now more than 20 lakhs. Engineers are only 48%. Now, this is the biggest hint I can give you. Engineers are only 48%, art student 35%, management and commerce 12%, and science 2.56%. Now, trust me, nothing can be a bigger hint than this. Can you guess the college? Yeah, more detail if you want. The gender diversity, male 56%, female 43%. Because this program is like that, because it's predominantly females going there toward that program. So the average ratio is almost 50%. Work experience wise, 61% people with 0 to 11 months of work ex, 5% from 12 to 23, 12% 24 to 35, and 30% more than 35 months of work ex, 20% more than 35 months of work ex. So it shows that batch is quite mature people have. So every kind of people you will find, every walk of life you will find there at the college. Summer internship highest 1.6 lakh and a median stipend of 1 lakh. Yeah, so average 1.03, which is at par with any of the top B school. Batch size is 70 students. That is the main problem with the government colleges. Batch size is only 70 students. All the companies coming on campus, TAS, Accenture, Nestle, Colgate, Citibank, you'll find these brand name coming to all the major B schools across the country. Highest 32 lakhs, median 20.25, and average salary 21.15 lakh. With the fees of only 2 lakh rupees, this is the best ROI you can get. Yeah, this college is, trust me, at par with FMS. Yeah, PPO for 20 students out of the batch size of 60 students. Right, top 20% of the batch have got a package of 25 lakhs, top 50% of the HRM 20 lakhs, and top 75% have got a package of 24 lakhs. So now I hope you might have guessed the college. We are talking about TIS. We are talking about Tata Institute of Social Science. So you can go to a link, cetking.com/TIS placements, and find out more about this college and the lush green campus of Tata Institute of Social Science in Bombay. So this college is a hidden gem because no one cares about the college. No one talks about it because the degree they offer is MA. Now, MA is never considered to be an MBA, obviously. But TIS, when I went to TIS, I took a few workshops, few videos in TIS, and when I talked to the students, why MA, why not MBA? They said this is a social legacy. Right from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi, most of the prime ministers have come to the campus. So they can't change themselves for a name, for the namesake. So the program have to change. So they launch MA in HR, which is a management degree with a social twist. That's the best part of this college. Yeah. So you can check out the link here. The cutoff for general category is 75 to 72, depend upon course by course. For OBC 68 to 65, SC, you can see the cutoff here. You can pause the video and check out the cutoff. And batch profile we just talked about. So there are more non-engineer than engineer at the campus. Alright, so how you feel about the college? Do comment so that I can make more video about that. Exam is going to be in January, which is a very easy exam. Trust me, one of the most easiest exam is going to be TIS exam. Yeah, but GK is going to be main problem area. So you can check out the more detail about the college from cetking.com/TIS placements. And in case you want to join our program for mocks, GDPI training for the TIS exam, you can check out the description box. Alright, all the best.